Imagine yourself as a teen. You just got off from studying, doing all your homeworks from school, and you sat on a couch with a phone in hand and you started doom scrolling. You keep scrolling for hours and hours until you finally think that it's really boring, but your brain says otherwise. Your brain says, keep scrolling, just one more video. And you do so. By the time you realize it's been the day has been spent just sitting there watching videos on phone, doing nothing productive, nothing at all. Apps are designed to keep you scrolling. Well, they are actually. But it doesn't mean that you should use those apps to keep scrolling for hours and hours without doing something productive. That is just wasting of time. Scrolling, new content's coming up. Each time you see new posts, your brain gets tiny bursts of dopamine, which is why you keep scrolling. Well, you should practice to resist that, because that is absolutely unhealthy for you. So even if you're bored, your brain keeps chasing the next post that appears on your feed. After doom scrolling for a long time, you realize that you didn't really enjoy those content you did. Weirdly enough, you get angry more frequently. You lost motivation, you keep getting distracted from everything, your brain feels foggy. Everything you feel is the side effect of doom scrolling for hours. What you felt as a break wasn't really a break, it was affecting your brain badly. Whatever you see in these posts aren't usually real. In fact, it brings you to a comparison trap all the time. You compare yourself with the people living happily, living crazy lives, living their best lives, productive lives, and you think of yourself, you're just sitting there watching them enjoy. You can't do anything about it. You're just watching. Even though it might be a highlight reel, but it makes you feel like you are a lot behind your life. It makes you feel depressed. It makes you feel sad that you couldn't do anything. This doesn't mean that social media is always evil. You should pause and think of it. All the time you've been doom scrolling, you could have used it to do something better. Something far more better than watching those people enjoy their lives while you're sitting on your couch watching them enjoy. So, if you finally thought to change and not doom scroll anymore, you could actually do something productive, far more productive from doom scrolling. Hear me out. Go for a walk or run. That could help you clear up your mind, your foggy mind. Whether it's painting or playing an instrument, you could try out new hobbies. That also helps to remind your mind. You could read a book. It's actually one of the most productive way to spend your day. Do something creative, like creative writing, do some journals or painting. Actually, I really love painting personally, and that is how I usually spend my time instead of doom scrolling. And talk to people. Talk to people you love, talk to people who care about you and you care about them, and make their day better. That could also help you make your day better. Thank you so much for watching this podcast till the end. Hi, my name is Ridhima Malik, your host for today's podcast, and I will definitely make sure to bring out more contents like this in future. Thank you so much for watching again, and with that, I am signing off. Bye.